Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the updated Translator app and granting microphone and camera access so features work. Tap source and target languages and select dialect when available. This improves accuracy. Once done, pick input mode, voice, text, camera, or conversation, and speak a short test phrase to confirm levels and background noise handling. Make sure to switch noise suppression on if present. Doing these first steps sets the app up for reliable translations and faster workflows. Now you move into advanced modes. Start conversation mode and invite the other speaker to speak. This gives labeled, near real-time translation so dialogue flows. For signs or menus, use camera OCR. Frame the text, adjust focus, then tap Translate. You can save or copy the result. Also, check settings to tweak speech speed and voice, download offline language packs for no network use, and set preferred regions to bias local vocabulary. These actions reduce friction and improve output quality. You wrap up by reviewing translations aloud and edit any phrases before copying or sharing so meaning stays intact. If results seem off, switch the dialect, retry with clearer audio, or re-enter the phrase as text. This often fixes ambiguity. When problems persist, clear the app cache or reinstall. Make sure offline packs are current. One quick troubleshooting tip: if live translation lags, toggle airplane mode on and off to reset network-assisted features. Then retest immediately.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.